This video is about how to create an express test that, number one, assesses multiple standards, and number two, uses some of the pre-made questions that are in the point test bank. To start, you're going to come to Assessment Admin, just like before, and click on Start Now. You're going to name your test, choose the appropriate subject area, choose a grade level, test category, leave as common assessment, total score you can probably leave, preferred standards document, that will be different for everybody. Very important this time to make sure the answer key only says no. That is the default, but make sure it says no. No need to change anything down here. We're going to select the standards. In this one, you notice that you have an expanding drop-down menu, but you've got these numbers over here. These numbers tell you how many items are in the point test bank that relate to that particular standard. As you expand this, the numbers also change. So for example, if I wanted to assess, I want to go down to the smallest one, these two standards, I've got 88 questions to choose from for this standard, 79 questions to choose from this standard. Add to test map. Now the express test is going to randomly select those. Perhaps I want one question on this standard, not 13, and one question on this standard. Building the express test, it's going out finding the questions that are needed in order to assess those particular standards. And so when I come to test content, it's already here. I've got this passage here, and then I've got a question that relates to the passage. I've got the correct answer there. It's already aligned to the standard. Now I can change these. I can go to actions and I can edit the question. If I want to change the wording, I can replace it with another question, tell it I don't like that one, I want to go in and find a different one. I can even remove it from the test entirely. But once I'm happy with that, and I am here, I'm going to follow the same procedures that I do for any sort of test. I'm going to make it public so that anybody could see it. Ready to schedule it. Okay. Schedule it. Choose the dates. So the cool thing about the express test is that you can just very quickly select which standards you want it to assess, and it's going to go pull from that test bank of highly qualified questions, things that are aligned to the standards in order to create for you a unique assessment. From here, I can again create answer sheets just like normal. That's how you create an express test using the pre-made questions.